Long story short, I was in SERUM for the weekend and I saw my mom. She was okay, I was happy. And then my brother calls me and he's like, "Hey Andrea, I received your FabFitFun box." And I was like, "Oh yay, super." You never know exactly what you're gonna get. Even though you get to customize it, you never know what you're gonna get. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do another unboxing. This is the FabFitFun box. It's a huge box, but inside there are some different goodies. I believe there is beauty, lifestyle, and other kind of different stuff inside. I haven't opened the box for myself and I wanted to share with you guys what I got before my brother comes home from work and we actually spend our evening talking and doing some other stuff that is more family friendly. So that being said, before I open up the box, I'm just gonna talk about the company really quick. Of course, I just wanted to put out there, this video is not a sponsor. Of course, I bet that you already know that because, well, I highly doubt that if I had Finbug box, people know who I am. However, if you're interested in getting one, I do have a referral link, and if you use it, well, you'll save up $10 in your next box. And, well, in my next box, I will save $10 as well. Just to let you know, it's a referral link, it's not an affiliate link. I don't make any commission whatsoever from said box or from this video for that matter. It is a seasonal box and I believe it costs like $50 American. Shipping is free if you obviously adhere to the program. And while it's seasonal, you can cancel it anytime or you can purchase it in a yearly basis. It's up to you. Just like, you know, BoxyCharm and any other subscription box. Here we are. We're gonna be reading it from mysubscriptionaddiction.com, and they say that FabFitFun is one of the most popular beauty subscription boxes on the market that delivers a selection of 8 to 10 full-size premium products to your front door. I already knew that, as this is my second FabFitFun box, and I got this because one of my friends, Emily, and I know she's watching this, so hey girl, she was talking to me about this and how much fun it was, and I was like, I want to try it to see, you know, what they just sell about, and I kind of liked it, so I kind of got myself a second one. Each box includes the latest in beauty, fashion, fitness, and the wellness curated by Ilana Grancic and the FabFitFun team. You'll be able to customize each seasonal box by either selecting your products beforehand or choosing to keep your box as a surprise. Giving as a surprise is interesting. However, I did customize my box because I saw an item right there and I was like, girl, I need to get this. So yeah, as I say, it retails for $49.99, well, $50. Let's keep it real. There's season alpha, the entire box is valued over $200. Your FabFitFun membership also includes access to exclusive sales, FabFitFun TV, and of course the FabFitFun community. So if you guys are more interested about knowing who founded FabFitFun and obviously get to know a little bit more of the products and the whole idea behind it, you can always refer to the article by Nathan Parcells, who was the author that we were reading, or of course you can visit the website, it's free. Now we're gonna go to the fun part, which is the unboxing. Okay, I already cut out the tape, you saw me do that, so that's okay. Let's see what we're gonna get. The box is now open and the first thing I see in here is this little magazine that normally comes around. In this issue is featuring Eva Longoria. Oh well, you guys, I'm giving you $15 off of your FabFitFun box. As I said, I will have a code here so you can always check it out. In case of this thing went out of focus, I'm just gonna put it in the description box as you guys know. Next thing, we do have some coupons. We have an $8 gift card by HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit. Well, I mean, I'm Canadian, so I don't know if this is gonna serve me that much, but I'm just gonna keep it anyways. And now, what's the products that we had here? Oh wow, okay, so we have the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Oh my god, this is a setting spray. Yes, so this is by the brand Grace and Stella. I actually don't know this brand at all. This is paraben free, cruelty free, is vegan, and of course is sulfate free. Oh nice. I'm curious to know what the actual thingy looks like. Let's open it up. It's all well sealed and everything. I'm living for this thing. We are plastic halfway there, but we have the most important part, so what's the cap? Let's see. Ooh, good choice. Well, thank you, girls. So let's see what it is inside. Ooh, it kind of reminds me to the face spray that I have from the other company, the one that I reviewed like a long time ago. I'm just gonna throw a picture of that right here. It kind of reminds me to the same thing. It doesn't have anything inside and it's just a spray all day. Well, thank you so much. The Grace and Stella Rose Facial Spray, it retails for $25.95, so that is interesting. Next item, we do have the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Okay, so normally this thing is super expensive. It's anti-freeze, that is interesting, and nourishes and lighted conditions for smooth. Actually, I haven't tried this brand yet either. It's by Living Proof. This little bottle right here, it has 180 milliliters and it retails for $28. Next item, we have the Intelligent Nutrients, the Refined Micro Polish. This is basically an exfoliant, and this is by the brand Intelligent Nutrients. So we're gonna take this item out of the box. Of course, as it says, it's organic, cool, so it's cruelty free and it's green. Okay, so this thing has 100 milliliters inside and it retails for $57. Okay, girl, this is an expensive item. Cool. Next item we do have in here is the Generation Clay. This is a face mask, I'm believing. Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Exactly. So this is a clay mask and it is by the brand Generation Clay. Cool. And this one retails for $39 and of course it has 100 grams in it. So yeah, that is getting expensive, girl. Next item that we do have, and I was super excited about this, is the Boom Boom Cream by Sol de Janeiro. And I was super excited about this because every single beauty blogger, beauty guru, or whatever you want to call them, they all rave about this. This is a really tiny thingy. I thought that it was bigger, but I mean, it's okay. This little guy retails for, okay, it's because it comes in a duo. Okay, cool. So you have the Bum Bum Cream right here, the small amount. Apparently this thing smells amazing. I haven't tried it yet. I'm excited because I heard so much good comments about this, and this is actually the item that I picked. I told you, I saw it, I was like, girl, I need it for myself, thank you. And then we have the Brazilian for Play Moisturization Shower Gel. Then again, Sol de Janeiro, and I was like, girl, I need to try the brand. Everyone raves and talks about it like all the time. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream and Brazilian for Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. It retails for $45. Then again, we're talking about American dollars. That is getting expensive, girl. So the next item that we do have in here is the Invisibubble. These ones are just regular hair ties. I actually really enjoy this brand. I already have one of those. And honestly, they're not really that cheap. So the Invisibubble Original Duo Pack, it retails for $16. I already give this to my mom, but I'm gonna ask her if she wants more of these hair ties. So yeah, we'll talk about that. Or anyways, I do use them anyways myself. Next we have this exfoliant foot mask. Oh my god, they sent me something for my feet. Actually, this is exciting. So this is naturally sourced with organic ingredients, and of course this is made in the United States and it's not tested on the animals, so that's cool. And this is by the brand Wish with an H. So the Wish exfoliant foot mask retails for $32. $32 is kind of expensive for a regular foot cream or well, a mask for a foot. I haven't opened it yet, but I do that it has coconut inside. It smells so strong. My feet are gonna be happy about it, they say yes. So the next item that we do have in here is the burn 3 resistant bands. Actually, this comes in handy when you're doing Pilates because it normally gives you a little bit more of extra push. It retails for $34 and normally there is like 3 different ones inside. You have one that is like for normal activities, then you have the medium one, and then you have the really hard one if you want, depending on what kind of workout you want to go for. And you know, we're all getting to working on our summer body, or well, at least on like or weight loss, or whatever. And I kind of wanted to try this because, as I said, it comes in handy when you're doing Pilates. So I'm excited to see that. Oh my god, there was an eyeliner in here. I got it. Moving on, and final item because I don't see anything anymore in here, and I kind of liked it. Cool. The next thing that we do have their face mask right here, and this is called the 1011 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. I think that this is the most expensive item of the box, if I'm not mistaken. I cannot feel it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, officially this is the most expensive item in the box. Hope you're ready because your pants are about to go out. So, for 5 max, this retails for $160. Again, we're talking American dollars. I hope that this mask, like every single one of them, are good because paying $160, it kind of gets expensive. I'm gonna do a whole review out of this because that is ridiculous. There you go, guys. Those were my items that I received from my FabFitFun box subscription this season. In all honesty, I am happy with all I got. I am excited to try them all, but the only disappointment I do have is this thing right here because it's an $80 gift card that I know I'm not gonna use because, again, I don't live in the United States. But other than that, I am excited to most of these things. You know, it's self-care skincare and is beauty products, and you guys already know how I feel about those. And of course really little magazines, because I'm the kind of girl who really likes to read or to really likes to write. It gives me some inspiration to produce more content for you guys, so of course it is always welcome. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that the links for the Nathan Parcells is article and as well as FabFitFun are in the description box down below, as well as the referral code. Again, I'm not receiving any money for if you decide to adhere to my referral code. It's just a way to help you out save money. If it was your case, I will tell you, of course. That means I will see each other on the next one. Bye!